Hello everyone, my name is Valerio Nathan Cahyono from 10 Science to number 22. Today is amazing day because I want to show you my favorite recipe. It's named bacon fried rice. First of all, let me show you the tools. Here we are. There is frying pan with spatula, wok, chopping board with knife, plate, bowl, and fork. Then the ingredients of this recipe are 2 large eggs, 8 ounce bacon or 205 grams, 2 medium garlics, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 bowl of rice, salt, pepper, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, tomato and cucumber for plating. Now we go on to the important step. Let's start. First, beat an egg in an empty bowl. And add a bit of salt. And mix well. Slice bacon into 1 inch or 2.5 centimeter. After that, mince the garlic. Heat oil in either a wok or non-stick frying pan over medium heat. And put beaten eggs. When they are almost done, remove from wok and set aside. Add bacon to the wok and allow it to render down and become crisp. Once the bacon is done, take it out of the wok and set aside along with the scrambled egg. Add the diced garlic to the wok. And stir fry until translucent. Then add the cooked rice. Make sure the rice is fluffed and cooled. And stir fry for 2 to 5 minutes. Use spatula to break up any clumps. Add the salt, sugar, pepper, and soy sauce. Stir for another minute or so. Add scrambled eggs and cook bacon. Fry sunny side up and put it on the fried rice. Add some salt and pepper on the sunny side up. Serve on a plate and garnish with slices of tomato and cucumber. Okay everyone, now it's time to review the food. I'm very excited to start eating. Look at the fancy bacon fried rice. The smells of the fried rice is very aromatic and arouse appetite because of the garlic and the bacon. Okay, now let's start to eating. The rice is very delicious and crisp. Look at the sunny side. It tastes so yummy. The bacon taste, it's so delicious and little bit salty. Thank you for watching my videos and see you.